Welcome, everyone. I know that we're invading your house today, but we have brought our high school students, we brought our band students, we brought our cheerleaders, we brought Link Crew and ASB and students who are involved in clubs and sports to give you a little bit of information about what's going on next year for you in high school.
My name is Mary Lamb. I will be your guys' ASB president when you guys come up for the year for the 2026-2027 school year.